Director General of Police LR Bishnoi ula pentep bakatanat pulit kalasiam ya kasien jam halor ki jingbakla ki bala kdew dak High Court hakabaya day bakajing keno bakai bean yaudo yong. Habakran sikalat patai kubor Bishnoi ula ang waki pulit kila persang ban kanglat ya kajing temu ban kai bean yaudo yong.
Now we are going as per the Honorable High Court orders. Wherever the mistakes are pointed out, we are trying to plug the loopholes. But again, the area is so much and the police strength is not proportionately adequate to dominate each and every inch of the land of the states. So sometimes, through the jungle routes, etc., some may indulge in transportations of illegal coal, etc. So for that also, we are trying to dominate it by the patrolling. So by and large, it's under control now, and whatever the directions from the court or from the government will be given to the police department, we will definitely try to follow those instructions.
Hakbay day baka song san, DGP ulang baka song san menta kalalong kapajay jay dakabaw lapan paru baka ni kaday na marka jingetre lang kabapura nakipat ba kajalla.
So law and order situation is more or less peaceful here, under control, and we are getting full cooperation from the people also. In districts, the most of the crimes are not directly related with law and orders. Other type of routine IPC crimes are there. Fortunately, militancy is also at its lowest levels. And whatever remnant groups are there, so they are in the peace process, they are talking with the central locators also. So not much problem as on today, but future challenges will remain, and for that also we are trying to strengthen our law and order branch so that they can deal with the situation immediately.